Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Afterpay payment methods. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows customers to make purchases and pay for them in installments. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Afterpay effectively. First, it is essential to understand how Afterpay works. When you make a purchase using Afterpay, you are required to pay a quarter of the purchase amount up front, and the remaining amount is split into 3 equal payments due every 2 weeks. To use Afterpay, you need to create an account on their website or through their mobile app. You will be required to provide some personal and financial information to complete the sign-up process. Once you have created your account, you can start using Afterpay to make purchases from participating retailers. When you are at the checkout, simply select Afterpay as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. One of the most important tips for using Afterpay is to make your payments on time. Late payments can result in fees, so it is crucial to set reminders or automate your payments to avoid missing a payment. Another tip is to only spend what you can afford to repay. Afterpay can be a convenient way to make purchases, but it is essential to make sure you have the funds available to make your repayments. It is also important to review the terms and conditions of your Afterpay account, including any fees that may apply. Afterpay charges a late fee if you miss a payment, so it is crucial to understand the fees associated with your account. In addition, it is a good idea to keep track of your payments and purchases using the Afterpay app or website. This will help you stay on top of your spending and ensure you do not miss any payments. By following these tips, you can use Afterpay effectively and avoid any potential pitfalls. Remember to always make your payments on time, only spend what you can afford to repay, and review the terms and conditions of your account. With Afterpay, you can enjoy the convenience of paying for your purchases in installments, while also avoiding the risk of accumulating debt.